Alright. This is the elevator at Sid Richardson, and I normally don't film modern elevators, but this is something I really have to show you, this elevator, and you're gonna see how well this thing runs. This is your typical modern type install and an example of how well this thing runs today. Did y'all hear that? What did you think of that? That is something, y'all. I don't even know how old this elevator is, but gotta be a few years old, and it's already sounding this bad. Okay, I'm seriously done now. Okay, this that squeaking is getting irritating. See, this is, I don't mean to be intensive, but this is just to show you how much of a typical quality most elevators are that you see today. And I mean elevators installed today. A lot of these old elevators, they run way better than this. I'll let you guys decide on this. Should I go for one more? Oh, we're going up. Literally the whole building could, I'm pretty sure the whole building could literally hear that sound. You're for? First. So am I. All right, we have a great rest of the day. You too, thanks. Okay, I'll work it. Okay, that's gonna be it, but yeah, I hate to say this elevator definitely doesn't run well. That elevator seriously is the worst I've been on. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.